hit you with a new video. My Ford Fiesta ST. Might look a little different today, but haven't got that much sun lately. Sorry, it just gives me the feel goods, you know?
Oh my god.
Wait. No, I didn't do it. Alright. I'll get it though.
He's trying to get bro.
Bro. How nice.
Oh. I don't know if it's because you're driving it, but it just sounds so much louder.
Because when you're in the passenger, you hear things.
Yes.
That the driver doesn't hear. But yeah, I think it's pretty cool.
Well, I know you were looking at turbo kits after installing this.
Yeah, it's kind of out of my price range.
Those of you that don't know what he drives, what do you drive, Matt?
Honda Civic SI 2008.
Yes.
Taking it out of storage tomorrow.
Yeah, so gonna have that on the channel again soon.
Got a lot of shit to do.
Yeah.
Spring maintenance.
Oh. Yeah, I gotta do my back brakes. Once our brakes are done, at least, then we can do that roll race that I've been wanting to do with you.
Rolling starts.
Yes. In Mexico, of course, because we can't do that here. I think it'd be a pretty even match.
Rolling, yeah. Start off now.
K20. I like to see, once Rachel gets more comfortable.
Oh, I got a small one.
Yeah. His girlfriend just got a 2013 Civic Si. Really nice as well. Now they're like white Civic Si couple goals thing now going on.
It's her idea, not mine. I told her to get something else, but whatever.
Honda or nothing.
Jokes.
Yeah, man.
Oh, dead squirrel. Ew.
Driving around in my car, my ST with its new Boomba blow-off valve. So
I'm trying to make it pop.
Oh,
One more time, let's intro.
Let's see if you can do it.
Oh, no, alright.
What do you do? Oh, you're trying to see. Yeah, I think it's from the inside.
Oh, that's weird.
Yeah, I know. It's a Ford.
Spat.
Yeah. Alright, let's see. To get it to pop, you kind of have to downshift, like, kind of aggressively when you're, like, around 3,000 RPM.
saw his car. It's my car. What the fuck's going on? Oh shit! Wow.
How does it work?
What?
Because you're close to hitting.
I'm not even close. I can see you.
You're so close to me.
I saw you. I would have made it.
It's all
I was
looking
in
at
the
you.
corner, and I was this much space. I was trying to be like you. I was trying to be cool like you.
Suck. Learn how to draw.
Merv's trapped right now, so
I can't do anything.
it's my car.
Trap. Last time I heard of a trap, it had a penis.
What? That's the end of the video. I forgot to just end it.
Yeah, no.
It's a video?
Yeah.
Hi, video. Hi, land of YouTube.
I don't even know if you can see him from
I
here.
bet you guys are probably going to be like, yo, that guy in the other car sounds pretty cool right about now. He's so cool. He's just cool.
Oh my god.
Hey guys, so I'm gonna close this video today. It was my pleasure driving this car for Merv. My experience in this car is pretty sick. I like the way it goes. And yeah, so next time Merv does a video, you'll see him next video. If you haven't liked or subscribed to this video, Sir Merv, or his account, right? Yeah, his account. Do it now.
Subscribe now.
Oh wait, oh fuck. Okay, wait, hold on. I have to restart.
Oh my god.
Jokes. See you guys next time.